Manchester United also got their victory at home to Everton. But I think the most important part from that match was to see Marcus Rashford walk off the pitch with a groin injury. I don't know if the reports are out yet on how long that's going to be, but I heard he made a post on his Instagram, some cryptic post that made it seem as though he will not be out for the rest of the season, that he will still be back. But no, Manchester United without Marcus Rashford this season, for me, I don't know where the goals is going to come from. I don't know where the goals is going to come from because they need goals. They need goals. If Casemiro is coming back into the midfield, Eriksen is already back. So obviously the midfield will be more stabilized and Bruno Fernandes will push up a little bit further the pitch. But then who is going to finish the chances Bruno Fernandes creates? Is it going to be Martial? I don't think Anthony is going to be that person. Is it going to be Sanchez? So let me start with the Manchester United fan. What do you think? The top four race, your performance this week, and also the other games, Newcastle and Brighton. What do you think? Quickly, let's just go around and talk about the top four race. What are your thoughts?
Well, I think the difficult games we've had, or the poor run of games we've had, that just dropped us into the top four battle, and that's what we're experiencing now. And it's looking like it's one battle that will go down the
Can
line.
I can,
Yeah.
can I just say something?
So
I think
we
first you want
have
to say something, but yeah, continue. Nafa.
okay. So we have other teams like Newcastle. They are not joking. We saw what their last two games, the match against Man United, that showed their intention that they are not there to make the numbers. They're actually there for business. So Tottenham too. They are also just behind Man United with just few points. I think 3 points or so. With Man United having a game. So it's going to be a difficult race from the Man United perspective because now you just said that Marcus Rashford is injured. He scored about 60% of our goals this season. And he's not in the team. This is like the business end to the season where we need to win games, where we need to score the goals. Where is it going to come from? We've seen that most times when Marcus Rashford is not firing, Man United end up either drawing the game or so. Now where would the goals come from? We just have to find a way to get goals from midfield and from the players available. Martial, we don't even know. Martial can even be injured now in his sleep. He can just sleep now. The next morning you hear report Martial, that is kind of that bad.
I ain't gonna
No, no, not so Martial injury is that's not injury they take. Injury is not the Martial is a big injury anyhow. Like if you even grip himself, Martial can get injury. It's a problem. But I hope that we find a balance. Sancho now needs to step up. Sancho has to step up. And I've been saying this time and time again. Yes, he's got an assist, but he has to improve his take on. He has to be decisive in his play. Sometimes I feel like he's just trying to play safe, trying not to make mistakes. He's just trying to. Now you need to keep going at this. That's why I like Garnacho. Garnacho can take on his player, and then even if he loses the ball, it doesn't stop him from doing that same thing again. So we need to see more of Sancho. And then I don't know, but Virgos, God will help us this period, Holy Spirit. But we'll see what happens.
I was speaking tongue, so
Oh man, so but but it's not going to be. It's not going to be easy. Truthfully, it's not going to be easy.
I beg, quick question.
At least,
How many goals do you
at
think
least.
Vegas will score this period that Rashford is not around?
Two.
What do I call him? Martial.
He put him at two.
Even if I know they put him at two. That guy don't think score when he dey stand, and when he dey fall, he score. The two goals wey don score, and when he dey score, so I don't even know how to wan do am now. Now mark the ball.
Some Man fans go tell you say Vegas, they say in input for the team be like Giroud World Cup input for France team. Say they score goal, but na lie. That Vegas
But
no
Giroud
dey
was
tempt.
scoring now.
Not
Giroud was scoring.
That comparison is
Giroud don't score.
No,
Giroud is
Giroud
scoring
no
now.
score.
Giroud don't score
Giroud
one.
no score. No score.
That Vegas,
No,
I no know
Giroud.
wetin.
But
No, we don't need to assess. But we can't
Yes,
compare.
World
We
Cup wey
can't
dem win.
compare.
Giroud no score.
okay, the one
See,
where
we
I
not even
win,
compare
maybe
this.
this last one.
One wey dem win. No, the one wey dem
Okay.
One
win.
with the win.
Mm. Yes. We not even
So,
compare this two players
Mr. Idon,
because
can we move on to
Giroud is
pressing?
faster. And Giroud, no,
Giroud is
no, I
faster
want
than
to point.
Weghorst.
Yes, now. Vegas be like snail.
No.
You be like Maguire of strikers. Vegas and Maguire of strikers. What did they talk?
That was the mark. Oh, I don't know how
Guys,
to they talk. That was the
go
mark.
not start. Go not start.
I
Go
mean,
not start. Give me
wait. Sorry. Hello, keep my name.
you mean.
So are you saying Nasai Weghorst because he scored goal against Argentina for World Cup? Is that true?
I don't even know. I know. See, the manager saying no am for more back. So,
But na true
so I
na.
don't
He said
know.
no. I'm-
So, he know am for more back. A good player. Yeah, I begin go watch Vegas highlights for England. Because
Best of Weghorst.
now only 2 goals we get for England. So what I can they watch? Man, that is not going to be easy. But I don't even
I
want
mean,
to
wait. I want
start.
to ask you another question too.
If Matthias speaks,
Is there
Matthias should
anything?
start.
Is there anything in particular? That say, for example, now Andy Carroll. You know, say Andy Carroll. You must put ball for air for him. That they are very useful. So, is there something in particular you say Weghorst is very special? This is a specialty.
The only
Attacking wise,
see the funny thing is there's nothing special in it. It's
In
rule.
the mark
Like
up.
it's now only to the press. The only statistics where you go see Vegas name for Premier League now, and say in there among the players to the press. Finish. I'm not be waiting make me buy him now. The funny thing, what annoys me most about Vegas is the fact that it can, those long balls where you see Andy Carroll go bring down, all those big strikers, Lukaku go bring
Hold
down.
up play.
Guy they lose.
Yeah.
That guy
Hey,
they
I
lose
beg you,
ball.
no call Lukaku. Which ball wey Lukaku dey bring down?
Lukaku is
Well,
trying.
Lukaku get good hold up play now. I know say Lukaku no get sense, but inside hold up ball.
which hold
Inside
up
hold
play?
up ball.
Wait.
Don't get good hold
Lukaku
up
wey
play.
get
Don't
bad
get
first
good hold up
touch.
play.
Yes,
Wetin you want with that?
Lukaku get bad first
How you
touch.
control the ball?
Intro.
You don't lose that. Wetin you want
No,
with
no,
it?
no.
Compared to Vegas, he get good hold up play, please.
Guy,
That's una baller.
Aki Apopo
Player
bring
of
ball
Messi.
down.
Compared to
See, if Aki Apopo contest ball with Vegas, they go bring am down. Vegas go see there. What do you talk? That guy no fit bring ball down. See, when I forget, more just leave. Let's move on. Vegas matter no go end to me.
this guy
I
don
not end.
finish well go.
I'm telling you, the truth. See, more just leave Vegas matter.
For training, Martinez dey collect ball for Vegas hand now. If dem put ball for air.
Yes, now he go collect ball from am. Vegas not a big bring ball down. Everybody dey check I mean they lose am. They lose am. So I told you the other day that when Tabitha played in the number 10 role, he won. His hold up play was better than Vegas. He brought the ball down more and better than Vegas. Vegas not the fit win all those duels. You don't see name for duels one. You see Vegas name there. Only to press, you come go see name for maybe first or second. So
But
I just say.
but actually, as a Manchester United fan, I don't feel so you supposed they disappointed in Weghorst as you dey now because na loan player you bring him on loan. You understand? You're not supposed to expect much, and na decision where your manager make based on say nobody dey more just bring somebody. Me as a football fan, the player where they so disappointed in more for Manchester United, now Anthony. As a left winger, where I don't watch, Anthony get the best compilation for YouTube. Go check player compilation. Anthony get the best. Now he get pass. He get past everybody.
But wait,
You understand?
Anthony, why you dey disappointed in Anthony? Wetin he dey do for Ajax now? Wetin he dey play for United? No, Nothing more, nothing less.
Like let's talk about left wingers that you've watched. You hear me?
Left
You
wingers
hear
or
me?
right wingers?
Yes.
Let's talk about right wingers, which are left. Let's talk about right wingers, which are left footers. You've watched in the Premier League, looking at the top 6 or the big 6 teams. Now, there's something you see in Mahrez's game. There's something you see in Bukayo Saka's game. There's something you see in even Almiron. There's something you see in Almiron's game. Are you seeing it in Anthony's game? How often have you seen Anthony drive at defenders, fullbacks? No, he doesn't do it. You understand? And this is the so-called 100 million signing from wherever.
Yeah, I get your point. But
The truth is,
my point is, you have to look at the profile of the winger also. You can't sign, let's say, Ziyech, for example, and expect him to be doing, I don't know. You know, when you sign Ziyech, you know what Ziyech brings to your team: long balls, crosses, passes. You know, but you don't expect him to be skillful, take on defenders.
He was doing it at Ajax.
No,
Anthony was doing it at
but
Ajax.
wait, so he did it in Champions League football too, because that's the only place I saw Anthony. Champions League, and he was doing all those take on and all. Like before he was good in Champions League.
Yes.
Last year, and 2 years ago, he was good, you know.
see, you want to go play West Ham United, or you want to go do all those nonsense against Newcastle, or see, he was doing those things against teams like Ado De Haag, Feyenoord, AZ Alkmaar. Guys,
See, understand what I'm saying. I'm not really talking about.
do all of those things in England. Like,
I'm not really talking about show. I'm not talking about show booting. I'm not talking about show booting. I'm talking about highlights and all that. Drive at defenders. When I mentioned these 3 wingers, Saka, Mahrez, Almiron, these people drive at. They are left footers like him. They drive at defender. He doesn't drive at defenders. He's always giving backward
I
passes.
support you. Exactly, I support you. He doesn't have that in his game. All that guy wants to do is show putting. Sometimes he does his leg over like an epileptic patient or something. And that's his game. He will not. He doesn't have the pace. Anthony is not pacey. All he does is just like.
To be honest, he's not. He doesn't have pace.
He's not pacey. Anthony doesn't have pace.
He's just out2. That is out2. That is
exactly.
from outside. Cut inside. Even that one self, not the do well.
That one should be like that one now one in 18 or 20. So that is saying it like 4, then now 1 in 20. So you still over to the next game. Maybe try like 10 for this game. Maybe if you try like 7, the 8-1 for the next game to enter. That's just Anthony.
But wait, I want to ask the house. Anthony as a right winger and Bernardo Silva as a right winger, who you would take?
Bernardo Silva.
I take Bernardo. I think
because they get the same pace. They get the same pace.
One get sense pass one.
About pace,
no, like the speed. The speed that they talk like for a winger.
I'm not thinking Bernardo gets it. Bernardo know how. I think he knows how to use the ball. He knows how to manage the ball more better.
Exactly.
He knows how to play.
Yeah.
See, Anthony's decision making sometimes is poor. Sometimes if you don't do all those things you want to do now, keep pass and go give opposition player. He doesn't know when to dribble. He doesn't know when to pass, and that's the problem. So
okay, wait. Another one. Anthony or Ziyech for right wing. Who you go take?
The person who has the question.
Anthony.
Anthony or Ziyech?
I take Anthony. I take Anthony any day, anytime.
Last. Ajax this scam last. Everybody will they say. Check scam the inside.
Well,
then they catch out.
But just a quick one before we leave this Man United debate. Just a quick one before we leave this Man United debate. Who do you think we should sign? Osimhen or Kane?
I bet more leave Osimhen alone. I take God back now. Go collect another person. Leave Osimhen.
No,
Kane.
Your view.
Kane. Me, I would say Kane actually. Kane.
I'll say Osimhen.
Kane.
Okay, Kane.
No
so
one made
your reason
go, but wetin go fit them na Osimhen in terms of long term project. You know, if you look Osimhen guy, e no be like person wey go flop for EPL. I know say people dey talk say EPL game different o, but e get some kind qualities you need to play EPL, and Osimhen get those qualities guy. So I no think say Osimhen go fit flop for Man U, and he young too, so he go just fit that long term project. They don settle that their number 9 issue for years to come. Kane dey waiting now. Kane dey 30, 31 or 32 sef. Understand? So, and if they wan come sign am now,
Injuries aside, what's the difference between Osimhen and Martial?
no na
There's a big difference now.
Martial
What's
dey
the
more
difference?
injury
No,
prone.
no,
Because when Martial came, it was pretty much. Now they tell you now. No, not tell me. What's the
Osimhen is an
difference?
out-and-out striker. Martial is not is an inverted striker. It's not. It's not actually. To me, I feel like Martial is a winger. He's only trying to play as a striker. Osimhen is a striker. He thinks like a striker. He plays like a striker. Positioning like a striker. You know, you go see Martial is. You know, how many times you don't see Martial score headed goals? You know, it doesn't. It's not be Martial game with that. Martial only tries to. He has good. You know, in terms of how he plays, how he carries the ball. He's a better footballer, like a better carrier of the ball. He has skills, when it comes to like, wingers are not better than Osimhen. But in terms of goal scoring and a poacher, Osimhen is a complete striker. So I won't say, the way Firmino did. Now so what do I call them? I feel say Martial did. All those players where just they
Yeah,
start
yeah.
their play from wings, then all of a sudden they just decide to like play. They can actually play there, but they are not strikers. So that's the thing.
Send other
Maybe
center forward.
you're not gonna see Osimhen. Exactly, you're not gonna see Osimhen for center of midfield. But Martial fit come back as low, to that point to come hold up play, try to link up with the other players. Osimhen does it too, but it's always in and around that box. That's his strong point, his position.